POC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from the company I.R.I.S. This is the IRIScan Anywhere 5 Wi-Fi. And what this is actually a portable scanner, really. They call it a scanning wand or a scanner wand. And it allows you to scan documents, business cards, pictures, IDs, and all that stuff on the go. So it's battery powered, it's rechargeable. You can export it out to well, basically it saves to the device. It has an SD card slot in there, and I believe it comes with an SD card. And you can export out to your computer in Excel format, Word, PDF, JPEG, or whatnot. But what we're gonna do, the most important thing that we gotta worry about right now is what's in the box. So we're gonna pop this open, we're gonna show you what's inside, and then you can go to our website at POCnetwork.net. We're going to talk about this later. So right when you open the box, you see there's actually a micro SD card right there. It says I.R.I.S 4 GB micro SD card, and it actually works up to 32 gigs, and it has a SD adapter in case your computer doesn't have a micro SD slot, which usually it doesn't, just gonna have an SD slot. Getting further into this box, you got the wand right there, a little piece of cardboard. There is a bag to store it with. It's just, it's like kind of a nice polyester style, but nice thick. And it's not just a cheap bag. You have a USB cable, which looks like to be micro USB to USB. And you have some documentation here. We have lots of documents, a bunch of loose pages here. You have a software serial number, information, a readmes. You got multiple different other languages: Portuguese, Italian, don't know what that is, Polski, Russian, Chinese, other Chinese, Japanese, other Japanese. We have some kind of walkthrough to get you connected to Wi-Fi and everything else. So that aside, you have calibrating the scanner this side down. So this is just so you can run it through it and get a calibration. You have this, whatever this is. This is, if I had to guess, this, it's felt on one side, plastic on the other. I'm gonna guess that this is for cleaning it. In case you wanna get the dust out of it, you can run this through and then maybe pull it back the other way or something. Now we're going to open this up. It has some plastic protection on there. Some of the stickiness actually gets left, or residue gets left on the device itself with that stuff. So they might wanna choose a different manufacturer of plastic protective sheeting. But this is the IRIScan, again, Anywhere Wi-Fi 5. So at the top, you have the SD card, the micro SD card slot. And again, that goes up to 32 gigabytes. You have a reset button, so you can take a little paper clip and pop it in there to completely reset it. The front of it, there is an LCD display, so it'll actually give you an image of the document it just scanned if your eyes can read that small or identify the picture that small. That way you can actually confirm at least that the page has been processed appropriately. You have a kind of a directional pad going around the middle button here. You have JPEG or PDF selection on the top arrow. The right is back, the left is Wi-Fi. DPI mode, or which DPI mode you want to select, is the bottom arrow, and then the middle button is the enter and or power button. On the side here, you have the micro USB cable for charging it with. There is nothing on the other side. The bottom is where you feed the document through, and it comes out the top. I believe it's 8 pages per minute is the speed. It's not too bad for something of its size. 8 pages isn't that bad. If you divide 8 into 60 seconds at least, that's it. So this is the Anywhere 5 scanner by I.R.I.S. And you can check out more about this online at POCnetwork.net, where we'll have more about this. We're gonna put this to the test, see if we like it, scan some documents with it. Maybe we'll sneak into one of our competitors' buildings and try to scan some of their secret documents or something. They'll never know. But check us out at POCnetwork.net, and we'll tell you if we like it or not. So until then, we thank you for watching. We'll catch you next time. Always remember, definitely subscribe. There's a button right below. Give us that subscription. Follow us. We got lots of stuff, tons of content on YouTube at youtube.com/POC Network. And of course, you can, again, get us online at our website at POCnetwork.net, where we have thousands of articles for you to check out. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.